Mama Bird's Perfect Nest by Arhan Single. One day there was a bird. It lived on a tree. It built its nest, laid its eggs. The nest was fine, but she knew something was missing. It was toys for the little chicks and food. So she went to and fly to the market tree, brought back some worms for the birds. And she went to the toy store and brought home some toys. Something was still missing. A puzzle. So she went to the puzzle shop. She picked out the puzzle and for her baby chicks, her two baby chicks, and went home with them. And they liked it. They put in the puzzles, they played with the toys, and they ate their food. It was bedtime. They went to sleep. The next day, they went to their friend's house. Their friends invited them. It was their birthday. They had fun. They ate cake, pizza. One of the baby chicks picked pepperoni. One of the baby chicks picked cheese. The mama bird picked onion pizza. They ate, and then for the dessert, they ate the cake. The cake was vanilla. It had sprinkles. The birthday boy blew it out. They went back home, ate their dinner, and went to sleep. The end.